Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Notion API for automated AI knowledge bases step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Notion API, first, create a Notion integration. Visit the Notion integrations page in your browser. Click on New Integration. Fill in the name for your integration. Choose the workspace where you want this integration to operate. Set the capabilities for your integration based on your needs, such as read or write access. Once completed, click on Submit. You will receive an integration token after submitting. Copy this integration token for later use. Next, navigate to the Notion database you want your automation to access. Share this database with your integration by inviting it. Open the database settings and find the Share button. Search for your integration by the name you gave it. Select your integration and click on Invite. This allows the integration to read from or write to that specific database. Now, you are ready to use the Notion API for your automation. Create a new project in your preferred coding environment. Install the necessary libraries for API requests if you haven't done so yet. You'll commonly need libraries like Axios or Request for JavaScript. In your code, set up a function to handle API requests to Notion. Include your integration token in the authorization header. Use the base URL for the Notion API, which is https://api.notion.com/v1 . Also, specify the Notion version you are using in the headers. Now, construct your API request based on the action you want to perform. This could be retrieving a database or adding a new entry. Format your request according to the Notion API documentation. Test your integration by running the script. Check the response to ensure authentication was successful. If successful, you should receive a valid response from Notion. You are now authenticated and ready to build your AI knowledge base using the Notion API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.